Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 11 May 2018, 19 of hour, 03 of minute and 33 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, which bird is Angry Bird based on? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about which bird is Angry Bird based on. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about which bird is Angry Bird based on. The red Angry Bird is a northern cardinal. That's a total no-brainer and makes sense. Having had more than one cardinal in my hand, that hardbeak is no lie. They are truly angry birds and capable of nasty bites. The yellow Angry Bird is an American goldfinch. Last update February 21, 2011. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.